G'day, here's a small parcel of seam opal from Lightning Ridge, Australia. Those millimetres. 2 was being wetted. I'll just go in a bit closer. Okay, I've gone in a bit closer. Might be a little stone there. You can see it's cracked through the middle there. But, 2 nice little stones perhaps. It's not a very expensive parcel. It's got a reasonable amount of potential, looking at it so far. Don't dismiss that. Grind it round the edges a bit more. You can see just there's a touch of blue. Whether it goes down into it or not, don't know, but grind around the edge, and then if you still see nothing, fine sliced through here. There's a lot of pieces to play with here by the looks. Bit of red showing on the end there. Pinky red, salmon. Could be that piece there that's broken. No, I don't think so. Different coloured clay. Nothing much in that piece from what I can see. Little bright eye on the end there. Promising piece. Don't forget you can stop the video at any time if you want to look at a particular spot. Anyway, there you go. I hope you've enjoyed.